Alrighty folks, we're back with a large 12-seater table for Christmas, and it's a dandy. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Folks, for me this is the creme de la creme of Christmas tables for our family. This table stays up for Christmas dinner. Usually it's up by now, but with the videos and doing different tables, the table I leave up hasn't been done yet. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get going, and we're gonna stay with our Victorian theme like I told you on our first Christmas video. With the colors are a little different, and we're using this white tablecloth in the damask style. Then this incredible Victorian style runner. Okay guys, let's get it going. Now you know the whole house is traditional, except for the dining room and the fireplace. It's more on that old world Victorian flavor. Now I'm looking at how this comes out down the table, just into the last seat on the long side. You want to get that nice and even. Now I haven't done a good arrangement for you in a while, so I'm going to do one, and we'll move it along quick as we can. You know, I want to put some pine in the bottom. We're going to have plenty and take it out of that one. And we're going to establish the length of the arrangement. I do want to get the point set in, so we're down to the quick, as you know. Just a couple of things left. So we're going to use what we have, make it nice. Now I know I'm teasing you. Here's the inspiration for the table tonight. Are you kidding? Who doesn't know British Castles by Johnson Brothers? Now we've been collecting this set for 12 all year, just so we can do our Christmas table. I want to look at these. I say, old chap, really, that is quite lovely. Okay, I'll keep my day job. These I'm not going to use. They're too bling bling. So get your bling on with some more. I'm really liking anyway. And the idea here is to exaggerate a bit and fan out and get the most out of our basket. We want plenty of dimension and contrast, folks. Let's go for the chargers. I have a small announcement, folks. Our wonderful friends and subscribers that come patronize our channel and keep us going. Tomorrow, we film the coveted, long-awaited Extreme Christmas Home Tour 2020. Angela loves the friendly village, and she had to have it. And in turn, among others, I had to have old British castles. I want to use these deer, they're just fabulous. We're going to use these incredible goblets from the set called Antique that we had on the table last year. Now we're using an all white, all cotton, rolled napkin, you know, like I like to do. And what I don't like to do is cover a beautiful plate. So we're not putting the napkin ring on the plate today. So our red glass tonight is our water glass, our goblet. Then we have a wine glass for anybody that wants a wine. Our next glass down is a champagne. We'll have a toast and a celebration for the holiday. The little stemmed glass is for a cordial. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Our friends that know me, you know I don't care for pink. Not a pink person. But this set, they call it red. You know, there's brown, there's blue, and there's red, and sometimes green. I'm not sure if this set comes in green. I don't think so. Maybe. But this set is staggering, and I hope you're enjoying it. I think I've got to take you and show you all around. Okay folks, so if you liked our beautiful Christmas table for 2020, let us know in the comments below. You know you can follow us on Instagram, and you know you can catch us for our home tour coming up Friday. It's a winner, guys. We put a lot in. You know it. Give us a like, a share, a comment. Send Aunt Flo over with Uncle Frank. We'll get them fixed up and make it fun. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next Christmas video.